Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a clean recording and a Drive copy. First, record your narration as an MP3 or M4A using your phone or a simple recorder app. Shorter clips are easier to place. Once done, upload that file to Google Drive and change sharing so slides can access it. Next, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide you want. Make sure Chrome has permission to access your microphone and Drive, so insertion will proceed without permission errors. Now you insert and configure the clip. Choose Insert, then Audio, and pick your uploaded file from Drive. Slides will place a speaker icon on the slide. Once inserted, open Format Options to pick Playback Behavior, set it to automatically or on-click depending on flow, adjust volume, and enable loop if needed. If you want a cleaner look, drag the icon off the visible area or check Hide icon during presentation. Make sure to test the timing, so narration matches your slide animations and cues. Finish by testing in present mode so you hear exactly how the audio plays with transitions and animations. Make final timing tweaks in Format Options. For continuous playback across slides, uncheck Stop on slide change, otherwise keep it selected for slide-specific clips. When sharing, confirm your Drive file permissions stay intact so viewers can hear the audio. If something goes wrong, first check that the file is MP3 or M4A. Confirm Drive access permissions, and verify Chrome's sound and microphone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.